guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. And you see she just had one document. That's why I try to offer them different levels of service, you know. But she's like, nah, come on. So the phone is ringing, guys. You got to answer your phone. Answer your phone. There's always somebody needing a notary. Always. That was a 401k document. Could y'all hear that call pretty good? Let me know, somebody. Put a 1 if you can hear it. Or yes. Could you hear that call? Let me know if you can hear it. Okay, she just sent me the she just sent me her address. So I'll reach out to her, like I said, in a minute. Could y'all hear the phone call that I just did? So as you can see, people need a notary all day. And especially if you full-time, again, if you're trying to be full-time, you know, if you say full-time, I know what most people are thinking. You can leave your regular job and it replaces all your income. And you could do that for real, but you just got to know how to price your services. First, you got to know how to do the business. That means your notarization piece. Then you got to know how to price your services. You got to market your business. It's a lot to grow in the business, and it's not for everybody. It's not. But I highly recommend it because you're going to work for somebody. My sister says it all the time. She says, I give them everything, and then I have nothing for me. And when they get ready to get rid of you, they will. They won't think twice. So that's why I'm just big on now. Have something else. I'm not saying leave your day job. Don't leave your benefits. Because I know for me, that was a hard one. I'm like, wait a minute. We about to give up what? We about to give up all our benefits? Oh, no, we're not. I'm like, no, we're not. I'm drinking this coffee, even though I'm not thrilled about it. So anyway, have a side hustle. That's what my new thing is about. Creators Club with Kimmi. A lot of you have ideas and you don't know how to execute it. You know, you may want to start a YouTube channel. You may want to start a podcast. You may want to write an ebook. You know, all of these different things. Well, I've done that. I know how to do it. And I'm patient when it comes to teaching. I'm pretty good at it. The courses are already recorded. It's going to work just like Notary Educators, where you come in and you do your part, and I come in and we do our part together to help you get some of this digital social media money out here. Now, it ain't for everybody because some people are shy. I get that. But if you're real shy, you don't want to do YouTube, how about a podcast? You would be surprised at the number of people that find us on a podcast. So that's what Creators Club with Kimmi is all about. I am a mile out from my assignment that I am going to do, so I'm going to be wrapping this up soon. Kind of looking around to see where I am. I wanted something to eat. I had some toast, but that is not sticking to the ribs. It's a cute little neighborhood. It's really cute out this way. So anyway, I'm gonna stay on with y'all for a few more minutes, because I was kind of curious about where we're pulling up to, and I wanted to tell y'all about it because when I Googled it, I like to Google where I'm going to, and when I Googled it, it looked like just a regular house, but the client told me that we're coming to like a nursing home. So I don't know if it's like a house that houses people, or is it actually a nursing home and it just looks small on Google Maps. I didn't know. Personal care facility. So we're trying to figure it out. My witness actually that is coming today won't be here until 3. My appointment is at 2:45. So that, let me give you one more tip. So you got to get what you can. Because I said, well, can you be there at 2:45? He was like, he said, I could be there for sure at 3. So what you can do, if you get to your appointment before your witnesses, and they need to come a few minutes later, that's okay. What I do is I go in and identify my client. I have everything ready where I need to sign. And then when the witness comes in, wait, do we need to stop? Or what is this? Is this a four-way stop? Yeah.
It's not a four-way. It's red light. It's not check.
So that's just another little tip for you too, because they may not be able to get there at the same time. I don't hold my witnesses any longer than I have to, but I do have my witnesses stay until I do my double check. So I usually try to do my double check of my documents. Wait, is this it? No, my bad. I usually have my my clients, the witness stay till me and my clients do my double check in case we miss something. Because once you let that witness go, they are gone. So this is a little area in Monroe, Georgia. Here in Monroe, outside of Atlanta. Probably 45 minutes outside of Atlanta. Almost 45. I don't typically go to Atlanta too much for work or play either, really. The way they build these communities now, everything you got is right there. Now, the food sometimes tastes a little bit better in Atlanta. It really does. Because you would think, coming from Atlanta, ooh, the food is delicious. When I tell people that, they're like, I said, no, it's not. It's okay, and I clearly eat here. But it's not like Detroit. We had corned beef places, Coney Island, White Castles. I mean, you name it, we had it. So now we're just staying here together. If you got any questions, go ahead and drop it because I'm going to be getting off soon. But I wanted to just confirm where I'm going. And this is another tip for you too. Before I go to an assignment, I usually will Google where I'm going because I want to see what the area looks like. What am I walking into? Do we need to really be watching our backs? Do we need to put on a little bit more, hey? We had went somewhere the other day, if you were live here with me, and Jeffrey had to go to this person's house. And I was the one supposed to go knock on the door, but Jeff went. And I said, you know what? Let me let this man know that I'm out here. Because I don't know if y'all saw where that lady got shot. A cleaning lady, unfortunately. I forgot what state it was. It was a state that you got to stand your ground. Because that's what they said that she was going to use, the lady. If she went to the wrong address. You saw that?
No, I'm looking at this store over here.
That's a nice supermarket, ain't it? She went to the wrong address, and as a result, she ended up getting shot, and we've accidentally made that mistake. How many of us have gone to the wrong house before? It was early morning, so I'm not dare justifying anything, but they might have been frightened. You'll never know what was going on in the neighborhood. Hey, Jay Manuel. He says, what should my signing agent marketing goodie bag include? I would have my business card, and it really don't have to be a whole goodie bag. I usually just take some cookies. I'll be honest with you. I just run in there. Hey, what? And you're going to signing companies or title companies in your area? You see the house?
Your destination is on the right.
Wait a minute.
I don't know if this is over here or not. So.
That's at 802. Is that where we going? Look at your phone. I texted to you. So anyway, yeah, depending on where you're going, you want to make it look cute. So you can go to Dollar Tree though, get some little hand sanitizer, just little ink pens. If it's an office though, usually just some cookies. I like to take stuff that's wrapped, or maybe something from Dunkin' Donut. I've taken what are those Krispy Kremes before in a place several times. Title escrow. Yeah, I've taken Krispy Kreme donuts. You can get a coupon and usually get 2 dozen of them, like buy one get one free, buy one get one half off or something. I've done that. You don't see it?
804. So
this ain't it then.
It might be that one right there.
So let's turn around. I've taken smoothies. Now that was a client though that was established. And I went in there and I asked the manager, and you want to get permission before you start doing that. Because gifts to one of my clients. They always gave me so much work. And that manager was like, no, you cannot bring them anything. And I was like, okay. And he meant that. So I never took nothing else in there. And I didn't ask him that day. I just brought something. See, this house don't look right. I think she gave me the wrong address.
You gonna have to call.
Oh, no, that is it.
It says 806.
No, that's it right there, Joe. She gave me the name of it. Ooh, it's a rinky-dink looking place. Ooh, yeah. I don't know what the inside looked like. Oh, and by the way, my client told me she was sick, so make sure you wear your mask. My client told me she had to go get a steroid shot. She's not this person signing. Oh, this is interesting. She's not the person signing. So I'm going to make sure I put my mask on. Okay. And we ain't touching, no shaking hands. I don't know if y'all saw it in my live I did on Friday. We went to a nursing home and they were on an outbreak alert. So they made me take off my mask and put on paper mask. She told me our mask is more secure than your mask.
Your mask was a cloth, so she said it was a cloth.
Yeah, mine was cloth. I just said that. Wow, slow down. You moving too fast for me, Jeffrey. He get mad. Well, he is though. This little narrow street, I can't even see. It's only one steering wheel and one set of. Let me show y'all his face.
It's a serious business, babe.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm scared.
Kimberly, it's a serious business.
He said this is serious. Okay. This the house right here. It is. I'm gonna just show y'all right quick, huh? That's interesting, huh? All right. Well, guys, I got to get out of here so I can go. What time is it?
Time to go.
Yeah, I think it is too. Hold on. Because if you arrive on time, you are late. It's a sign up there that says visitor warning, Jeff. Oh, wow. They got cats running around. Oh, this place. Let me show y'all. Where the cat? Oh, goodness. I hope he the only one. Child, you don't know what you're going to run into out here. I'm telling you. He all under the car. Look. He under the car over there. And see, if you see one, you know it's 100 of them. And I don't like cats. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, God. Okay. Jeff, see what that sign say right quick. I'm going to wrap it up, but go see what that sign say. Let me get this last two comments right quick. Lisa says, I definitely have... Oh, hey, S. Thompson. Hey, Bryce. How you doing? Bryce, how you been, my friend? Hey, S. Thompson. Bryce. How you doing? Tell me how you doing right quick, Bryce. I got to go. S. Thompson, Lisa is saying, I definitely have been wearing my N95 mask. Have been going to a lot of senior facilities. Yes, girl. S. Thompson like, oh, no. J. Manuel is like, oh, no. Oh, yeah. What that sign say? Can you see it from here? So we are going to go, because it's 2:40. I'm supposed to be in here at 2:45. And, oh, good, Bryce. I'm so glad you're doing okay. Bryce been with us a long time. Oh, Bryce, you making my day. Bryce says business has been plentiful. Oh, me and Bryce did a one-on-one. He been with us for a long time, notary educators. I'm so proud of you. Oh, that made my day, Bryce. Well, listen, everybody, I gotta go. Much success to everybody. Bryce, that really made my day for real. I'm telling you, we go way back. But I have to go so I can do this job. But on behalf of Notary Educators with Coach Kimmi, I will see you guys soon over at Mentorship, where I'll be live sometime tomorrow. Much love to you too, Bryce. I'll be live sometime tomorrow, or I'll see you tonight over in live mentorship, okay? Bye, notaryeducators.com. Okay, guys, pray for me. I don't know what I'm walking into. We'll talk about it tomorrow.